Welcome to the Affiliate Marketing course from zero to passive income, hosted by Enoch Sub. My name is Esther Ilisoni, and I will be taking you through this course. So stay tuned and let's get to it. At Enoch Hub, we are committed to empowering individuals through skill building and growth opportunities. Our initiatives are designed to create impact and open doors to success. So don't wish you did. Join us today. Be a part of a community, a movement that empowers youths and give them reasons to have and own their dreams. There are four modules in this course. The first one is what affiliate marketing really is and what it isn't. The second one is finding products that people actually need. The third one is how to promote without sounding like a scam. And then the last one is how to make your first affiliate commission. There are many myths about affiliate marketing in Nigeria, that you need to sell courses to make money. Only people with many followers earn. Affiliate marketing is quick money. And at the end of this course, you will be able to tell if these are true or if they are not true. If you're wondering why many people in Nigeria failed at affiliate marketing, it's because of these three major reasons. They were paying for courses that only teach you how to sell the course, and there were no real products, no real skills. And it was just a recycling of PDFs and then referral traps, bringing people into that same cycle, selling them an idea and not promoting useful products. Now, what is affiliate marketing? Affiliate marketing is recommending other people's products or services and then earning a commission when people buy through your affiliate link. There are different forms of affiliate marketing. We have cost per sale, we have cost per action, and then we have the referral programs. Cost per sale is when you earn a commission after somebody buys something through your affiliate link, while cost per action is when you get paid after a user completes a specific action, like signing up or filling out a form. And then referral programs, like the name, means you refer people or users and then you earn commissions or rewards or benefits. Moving from what affiliate marketing is known to be in Nigeria, what is the shift now? The shift is to sell actual digital and physical products, to use free tools to automate it, and to get paid in Naira, dollars, or even crypto. And then doing this without sounding desperate or spammy. You wonder how? Well, here is the model that works. You solve problems, recommend tools, platforms, and services to people. And that is it. When you're trying to find products that people actually need, you need to look for a problem from any niche: health sector, savings, education, daily expenses. Now, out of all the different niches we have, there are three major ones I would like us to focus on. We have the shopping platforms, we have the fintech apps, we have the online courses. Now, the shopping platforms are great for review based or fashion or tech creators or enthusiasts. Why did I emphasize on enthusiasts like that? That is because you have to choose something that you can easily relate to or relate with. We have fintech apps as well, and they are great for students, workers, and anyone trying to save smart. Online courses are for students, job seekers, and career switchers. people trying to level up in their careers. Let me present to you a very, very good opportunity to get started as an affiliate marketer. This is a cybersecurity course brought to you by Cypher Sentinel, and it is a very, very good place to start your cybersecurity career. And you can sign up to become a cyber affiliate. You can take up this opportunity and start earning as an affiliate marketer. And if you want more information on this, you can reach out on the Inox Hub community. How do you promote without sounding like a scam? Well, you need to understand how to talk to a skeptical Nigerian audience. Know that Nigerians don't like being sold to. They prefer stories and personal experience. So you have to use social proof, things like screenshots, testimonials, demo videos, and you have to use a tone that is honest, helpful, and not just selling. Remember that I mentioned earlier that you should pick a niche that you can easily relate to. It is so that you can easily defend what you are promoting to people. You can use your WhatsApp stories or broadcast, your TikTok app, your Instagram app, and even the X app, formerly known as Twitter. These are apps that people use every single day. So instead of posting random things on your social media account, you can start to post things of value, promote products and services to people, and even earn from it. It's just the regular thing you do every day, just that you are doing it with a different intention, and that is to earn passive income. If you really want to convince people to buy what you're selling or what you're promoting, these are the content you need to be posting: product reviews, tutorial videos or images, comparison videos or posts, and most importantly, personal experience or testimonials of people that have used that particular product or service. You can use these free tools to create content: Canva, CapCut, and InShot. Welcome to the final module in this course. In this module, I'll be recommending platforms where you can sign up to be an affiliate and then you can start to earn passive income. These are two very popular platforms in the education and online courses niche. The first one is Seller, and you can earn between 30 to 80% commission when you promote digital products like ebooks and courses. And the second one is Expertnear, where you can earn between 50 to 70% commission when you promote high value digital courses that have been created by Nigerian experts. The next niche we'll be looking at is the e-commerce niche. And we have Jumia KOL. Jumia KOL is an affiliate program where you can earn between 5 to 11% commission for every sale you generate through your custom link. And we have the Konga affiliate program as well, where promoters can earn a percentage of the product price on every successful purchase. This next niche is a very beautiful one, and I say beautiful because it is the investment niche. As a Nigerian, everybody is looking for ways to grow their money. We have Rice Vest, where you can earn between 500 naira to 1000 naira in rewards when someone signs up using your referral code, completes verification, and then starts investing. We have Trove as well. Trove rewards you with 1000 naira to 2000 naira or equivalent stock credit when you refer someone who signs up and then starts investing. And we have Bamboo. You can earn 1000 naira or a stock reward when someone signs up with your referral link and then funds their Bamboo wallet. Now picture this. For someone that has a minimum of 50 status views per day on WhatsApp, that is just a minimum and applies everything they have learned in this course. Take a look at the figures that these affiliate programs are offering. I'll let you do the math and then you'll realize the earning potential of this person on a daily basis, weekly basis, or monthly basis. Moving on, we have the global payments niche, and this is a niche that is very, very popular amongst freelancers and remote workers. We have Payoneer, where you can earn $25 when someone signs up through your link and receives at least $1,000 in payments to their Payoneer account. And for GigPay, you can earn between 500 naira to 1000 naira when someone signs up using your code, verifies their account, and performs a qualifying transaction like generating a virtual card or receiving funds. Another niche we'll be looking at is the savings niche. And here we have PiggyVest, where you can earn between 1000 naira to 1500 naira when someone signs up through your link and saves at least 1000 naira. We also have Cowrywise, where you can earn between 250 naira and 500 naira when a referred user creates a plan and saves a minimum of 100 naira within 30 days of signing up. Yes, you might be surprised to see these banking platforms here as well, but they do offer affiliate programs where you get paid per referral once the new user activates and uses the app, and that's for PalmPay. While for OPay, you refer friends and earn between 800 naira and 1500 naira when they sign up and make transactions. And this is also to show you the possibilities in being an affiliate marketer. Just make sure you're looking out for opportunities because many other platforms are out there that offer affiliate programs where you can sign up to be an affiliate, promote their products or their services, and then start to earn passive income. On a final note, success in affiliate marketing is not luck or hype. It is about solving problems, building trust, and showing up consistently. If you have made it this far, I want to say congratulations because you have completed the Zero to Passive Income course hosted by Inox Hub. And now you are on your way to becoming a successful affiliate marketer as long as you apply all that you have learned in this course. I need you to do something real quick. Like this video, comment, you can share the video, and most of all, don't forget to subscribe to this channel. And if you haven't, make sure to join the Inox Hub community. You can copy this link on your screen and paste into your web browser and join the community. We will be having live sessions where you can ask your questions and get answers right away. So make sure you join the community to avoid missing out on updates concerning that. Alright, so this is where I'll say bye for now, and I wish you success in your journey of building wealth.